video, what I'm going to do is go over one of these universal sockets. I have seen these things around forever, and I've always wondered if these things work. So you know what? I'll order one so I could put one to the test. And this is the super universal socket, you know, with tools, with a drill adapter. And check it out. I did take it out of the package and look at it here. A little adapter piece right here that could go into a drill, but we're not going to use that. And right there, it looks like it uses a 3/8. So according to them, it can go up from 1/4 inch to 3/4 of an inch, 7 millimeter to 19 millimeter. So according to them, you could carry this one socket and eliminate an entire socket kit. Could you do that? I don't know, but you know what? Let's give it a try. So I've got I've got an e-bike over here with several different size bolts on it, and let's see if we can grab it. This one's a little different. It has a spring. Seems like it has a spring built into the mechanism there. Watch how it kind of springs in and out right there. So let me go ahead and try to like drive a couple of things down with it and see how it works. So this bolt right here, okay, I can already tell. If it's got too much of a depth on it, you're not gonna, I'm already buttoned up. So it can't go, it can't have a long depth on it. So even though this looks like a deep well socket, it's really not. Looks like it only goes in like, yeah, just a little ways, and then I can't reach the bolt. So let me find another bolt that's easier to access. So let's try this one. So you're basically just gonna push it up on there like that, and then turn it. Wow, actually, that actually worked. I'm gonna be carrying this in my van just in case. Look at how it works. So what it does, it just drops down in there. Yeah, and it grabs a hold of it. Let's see if we can put it back on. See if it slips off of this. So that's about hand tight. So now you wanna press it on there. Wow, it's actually, that actually works. Look at that. It's actually biting into it. It does kind of like lock on there. So push it right up on there like that, and then hold it on there. That's pretty solid. That's a pretty solid bite. Let me try some smaller bolts and see how it works. So let's see if it grabs a hold of this. You know what? Everybody, that actually grabbed it. I am shocked that this thing actually works. Let's see how tight I can get it back. Airplane just now coming over. It's turning it. I can feel it turning. Wow, look at that. That actually, yeah, that actually tightened it up. I need a screwdriver on the back side. Yeah, that's actually got a good grab on it. That's actually holding it. There's a nut on the backside, so I can't really turn it. I'd have to like get something on the backside to get that to turn, but look at that. It should already stripped out. Yeah, look, I can move the whole trailer with this thing. But I got it all the way down to a 1/4 inch bolt, and it seemed to work just fine. This, like I said, this is something I think I'm just gonna keep in my van. It's kind of like an emergency. Would I use it to actually work on something? No, but I think in a pinch, have something like this and it'll get the job done. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got. Multi-socket set. See y'all in the next video.